Thanks for clicking. My name is Jason Moore. I am the Director of Cloud Operations at Wunderlich-Malec. I'm here today to talk to you about SpaceOps. And what is SpaceOps? It sounds really cool, like maybe there's some orbital navigation or launching involved. There's not. It's space optimization in office buildings, retail buildings. And what we've thought would be a neat thing is to do a video series on it, a 3-part. And the first part we're going to do is this one, where we talk about why, both from a user perspective, end user perspective, a customer perspective, if you will, and from a Wunderlich-Malec perspective. Wunderlich-Malec is known for industrial automation, and you might ask why it was Wunderlich-Malec doing an IoT project based around retail space. Well, the short answer is that it's sensor data from the edge through a gateway to a cloud, the same as we've been doing for 40 some odd years with other manufacturing execution systems, ERP systems, various other things, CMMS systems. So for this, the process isn't that different. Some of the tools are. The second part will be from the development engineer on the Wunderlich-Malec team, and we thought that would draw contrast to other industrial automation engineers and how they perceive IoT in the cloud, and how he transitioned his experience from pretty traditional industrial automation to this IoT-based project. And the third will bring in our partners, the sensor partners, the cloud partners, and the gateway partners to really discuss in detail the tech stack, how we did it. And our goal here is to educate both internally to the rest of Wunderlich-Malec and externally to other industry experts, other potential customers, to really share the knowledge. Because I think that a rising tide, which is the fourth industrial revolution or fifth industrial revolution, or just IoT in general, a rising tide raises all boats. So we want everybody to be successful at these things so that it gets adopted quickly, because it really does have a ton of value, and poorly implemented projects only detract from that. So instead of sharing, secret sauce or stuff like that, we want to share basic principles and say, hey, how do we improve the industry as a whole? So with IoT, the idea to bring data from the edge into the cloud, then back to the enterprise, is an idea that's going to involve, or an effort that's going to involve, a lot of IT assistance. And since we're talking about cloud, and we're talking about gateways, and we're talking things like cybersecurity, IT is more involved than ever in OT, operational technology and informational technology. And they've kind of worked together over the years, but I think more so now, and even more so in the future, they're really going to combine. Thanks for taking an interest in SpaceOps, and we'll be back with part 2, where we invite Bruce Powell, who was our lead engineer on SpaceOps, to the table here in the media studio, and then we'll figure it out. And then for part 3, we'll bring the vendors in. Part 3 will probably be a Teams meeting or some other collaboration tool, as they're scattered around the country. But please tune in for those. I think they're both exciting and both educational. And remember, if you like this kind of content from Wunderlich-Malec, I gotta ask that you click like and subscribe, and it lets the management team know that people are watching this and that there's value in it. And so please like and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Jason Moore.